Hey guys, today we have with us the copy of the Jbl Pulse 3 Bluetooth speaker, so let's unbox and review it. Hello guys, what is going on? It's me Joel. So first of all, I want to thank eHub for sending me the speaker for review. eHub is an Instagram page that sells high quality copy products, so make sure to check them out from the link in the description down below. Now let's unbox this. So first of all, the box is very similar to the real one. When we open the box, the first thing you get is the speaker itself. Let's keep that aside, and then you have this card. Here is a box which contains the aux cable and the USB cable for charging. So now let us keep them aside and check out the speaker itself. First of all, the speaker is a bit heavy. It weighs around 1 kg, and also the build quality of the speaker is excellent. Even though this is not an original by JBL, it surely feels and looks like one. From this fabric grill to this beautiful looking LED lights. Also, this speaker is splash proof. I've tested it a bit and had no issues, but I don't trust it to last longer in water. On the side of the speaker you have the controls, the power switch, the Bluetooth switch, the JBL Connect switch that does nothing, light controls, volume up and down, and the play pause switch. And when you open this flap, you get the aux input, USB port, SD card slot, and the micro USB port for charging. And these lights over here are the battery level indicators. In my usage, I got up to 5 hours of playback time, and it takes around an hour to fully charge. Now let us check out the sound quality. As you guys heard, this speaker is very loud and also the bass is good, but at high volume the sound distorts a bit, but that's not a huge issue. So should you buy the speaker? If your main focus is looks, lights, and also decent sound quality, you should definitely buy this one. But if you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker just for the crisp sound, you will be better with some other choices. Oh, and if you send the code TEXAAKG while buying the speaker, you get an AKG earphones completely free with the speaker. So that's it. If you are interested in buying this one, contact eHub directly via Instagram or WhatsApp. The links will be in the description down below. So drop a like, subscribe, and until next time, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.